Well done, Rachel. Louise, what did you think of Rachel's performance?
Rachel, I thought that was a really brave song choice. It's a mega song, that is, and I think you did really well with it. You know, I can't lie and say it was perfect. It wasn't perfect. I think you could do with, you know, working on your control a little bit more, especially when you're right up there. But your range is absolutely stunning. The fact you can even get up there is a real credit to you. I think your diction as well, work on your diction a little bit in places. I think you were concentrating so much on staying up there and kind of keeping the tune that you forgot the words, and some of them were a little bit hard to kind of work out. But what I love about you is that you come to this competition and you've done something different every single week. You are really using this as a platform to show us what you can do, and you can do all these different genres, and that is what it's all about, and I really do commend you for that. And also I've got to say, just before I finish off, that the video was absolutely lovely. Well done for, you know, the dancing and stuff. It was absolutely lovely. Well done.
Kelly, what did you think?
I thought it was a great song choice. I loved how that song sort of showed off that really quirky edge to your voice. I think you might need to work a little bit on breath control, so that when you are up there in the top end of your register, you've got a little bit more control vocally over where you're going. But apart from that, I thought it was a lovely performance. I thought visually, I loved how you sort of used the original video for inspiration for this one. It was just very, very creative and just something different, and it was really pleasing to watch as well. You know, it made a real change. So well done to you. Hats off for being so creative. Well done.
Yeah, Rachel, fair play to you. I mean, something that I think I've picked up that I wanted to see was just you just show us what you can do with your voice and that. And yeah, there is still a little bit of perfecting to do, but the fact that you came out, you got really creative with this video, and you challenged yourself to, you know, singing up there and stuff. It was really, really nice to watch. Again, it reminded me of like, just that moment where we got to see last season where you would explore and he was like, oh my God, how can she do that? Where's that coming from? And that's what it reminded me of. So I think you should be really proud of yourself. I think you've had a really, really fab performance this week. Well done.